water bottle, pan masala. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. आज का टॉपिक बहुत ही अमेजिंग होने वाला है. आज आप लोगों को मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ माई परफ्यूम कलेक्शन. बेसिकली मैंने अपने परफ्यूम्स को 3 सेक्शन में डिवाइड कर दिया है. फर्स्ट इज़ अंडर 200, सेकेंड इज़ 200 to 500 and third one is above 500. So you can purchase according to your budget. एंड मैं सारे परफ्यूम्स की लिंक आप लोगों को डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में प्रोवाइड कर दूंगी, सो चेक करना मत भूलना. नाउ विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले लेट्स जंप ऑन द वीडियो. सो द फर्स्ट परफ्यूम इज डेनवर डिओड्रेंट बॉडी स्प्रे. सो लुक एट दिस, हाउ क्यूट इट इज़. और इसमें ये बड़ी बॉटल्स भी आती है लेकिन ये छोटी वाली है, सो इसीलिए इसकी प्राइस है 75 रुपीज़ एंड इट इज़ अ वेरी गुड एंड पॉकेट फ्रेंडली. एंड द स्मेल ऑफ दिस परफ्यूम इज़ रियली वेरी गुड. सो मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट परफ्यूम. Next perfume is a fog. So this fog perfume, you can see how pocket friendly it is. ये almost finish हो चुकी है and the price of this perfume is ₹80 and ये बहुत and the smell is very good and ये बहुत ही long lasting है. How cute. Move on to the next perfume. So next है ये perfume. How to pronounce this word I don't know. I think Loman, I don't know, but the fragrance of this perfume is very strong and I don't like a very strong fragrance perfume because I like a light fragrance perfumes. If you are one of those from strong fragrance of the perfume, then go for it. The price of this perfume is rupees 198. Next perfume is, the brand name is Satwell. So in my perfume collection, so many perfumes are from the brand Satwell. So this is the perfume and fun fact is the quote is right behind the perfume is, you are easygoing, you make others notice your every move, make Satwell your partner in a crime, send her plushies racing as you effortlessly charm her, your avatar is spicy and tempting over avatar. You can see, I think this perfume is for boys or girls, both, I don't know, but I like so much this perfume. So लास्ट में मैं आप लोगों को ये भी बताऊंगी कि कौन से परफ्यूम इज़ माई फेवरेट परफ्यूम्स मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी. सो द प्राइस ऑफ दिस परफ्यूम इज़ 199. नेक्स्ट परफ्यूम इज़ फ्रॉम द लेयर शॉट. So this is the perfume. The bottle looks like this and I in my perfume collection so many perfumes are from the Satwell and layer shot. So this perfume fragrance is very strong. I think मैंने इसे ऑनलाइन परचेस किया होगा, that's the reason why मैंने ये स्ट्रॉन्ग फ्रेग्रेंस वाला परचेज कर लिया है. आई डोंट नो, बट यू लाइक अ स्ट्रॉन्ग फ्रेग्रेंस ऑफ अ परफ्यूम, देन गो फॉर इट. एंड द प्राइस इज 195. सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो बजट फ्रेंडली, सो गो फॉर इट. Then the next one is from the layer shot and it is the same packaging but the color was different. Okay, also this fragrance is like pan masala. This fragrance is literally like a pan masala. So if you like this type of fragrance, then go for it, and the price is also 195. So move on to the next perfume. Okay, so next perfume is Bold Spike. The packaging was good, and the fragrance was all strong fragrance of this perfume, and also the long lasting. I think this is for the man. I don't know. If you are like strong fragrance perfume, then go for it, and the price was only rupees 199. So move on to the next perfume. Next perfume is from the Assure Active All Day Protection. The packaging is like this, and the fragrance, yeah, the fragrance was good. And this perfume is for the man, but also woman can also use this perfume. So the price of this perfume is rupees 190. Very budget friendly perfume. The perfume is this Royal Magic, and the packaging is like this. And this perfume fragrance is also like a pan masala type. I don't like this perfume's fragrance too much, so I'm not recommend this perfume. But also you are like that this type of fragrance, then go for it, and the price is only rupees 198. Then move on to the next perfume. These all perfumes are under rupees 200. Now the prices of the perfume is going to be high, and also their quality and the fragrance wise also they are good. The price of the perfume is 200 to 500. So the next perfume is this Park Avenue, and the fragrance of this perfume is really very good. The price of this perfume is 2 to 5. So go for it. So next perfume is also from the Park Avenue, and the fragrance of this perfume is, I love so much this perfume's fragrance, and it is rupees 250, only 250. So I am highly recommend this perfume. Go for it. So next perfume is from Satvet, and this perfume's fragrance is very strong and long lasting also. So if you like this type of fragrance, so go for it, and the price of rupees only 250. Next perfume is this Wild Stone. The packaging of this perfume is really very cute. I love this packaging, and the fragrance of this perfume is also very strong, and the price of this perfume is 379. Noble perfume, I think. I don't know how to pronounce this word, but I think Noble. And Imperial perfume spray 100 ml. 100 ml की bottle है, and it is only rupees 250, and packaging is also really very good. And the fragrance of the perfume is also really good. I like this. Range of a perfume price 200 to 500 is finished. Now move on to the high price of the perfume, and the quality and quantity and the fragrance also go up to high, and yeah, about the 500. If you have a budget to purchase this perfume above 500, so I am highly recommend these perfumes. The fragrance of this perfume is really very very good. So move on to the first perfume. Is look at this, the packaging. The bottle is, I love this packaging. I love this packaging, and The fragrance of the perfume is also very good. If you are like me, who don't like too much strong fragrance, then it is made for you. It is really very good. I love this perfume so much. Okay, and the price of this perfume is 1000 rupees for the 40 ml. The price is little bit high, but if you have a budget to purchase this type of perfumes, then go for this perfume. These dark keys perfume, and I just love this perfume. The fragrance was too good, and nowadays this perfume is my favorite perfume, and the fragrance is really very good. I like this so much. I love this one, and the price of this perfume is rupees 1097. Yeah, little bit high, but worth it. It is really very good. And then move on to the next perfume. This, how cute packaging is. I love the packaging. And the fragrance was, I don't like too much because the fragrance was strong. Perfume is 1395 rupees. Next is this perfume. I think the perfume name is Azure, I don't know. And the fragrance was also too good, and the price of this perfume is 1500, means 1499. And yeah, it Kenneth Call, and I like this perfume fragrance, and it is almost finished, and also the very long lasting this perfume. So I am recommend this perfume, but the prices are too high. This perfume is too expensive, and the price is rupees 4900 rupees. So it is too expensive. If you have a budget, then go for it. नहीं तो आप 200 to 500 रेंज और अंडर द 200 भी आप परचेज कर सकते हो. कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शंस नहीं है. एंड देन मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट परफ्यूम. दिस, हाउ क्यूट इट इज. So these pink sweet and floaty perfume, I love this one. This one and this one is my favorite perfume. I think you go for this perfume because this perfume price is 6534 rupees. So it is too expensive, and only 75 ml की बॉटल है ये. So I love this fragrance. All perfumes are finished, and this is the last perfume and very expensive perfume. It is the today's video, and last I am show you guys my favorite perfumes. These dark keys, and then these pink sweet and floaty perfume. They are above 500, and under the budget I have two perfumes. First one is this Denver deodorant body spray. I like this one also, the fog spray. It is also under the 100. Yeah, so that's it for today's video. I hope you all like this video. Please showering too much love on this video because I am doing so much hard work for uploading the videos. Please, if you like this video, then subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल एंड बेल आइकन को भी ऑन कर देना ताकि मेरी सारी वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशंस आप तक पहुंचती रहे. बाय बाय.